How to control who can comment on your threads post. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can control who can comment on our threads post. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, launch your Threads application. After launching your Threads application, on the bottom you'll be finding different kind of options here. So you may just go to the plus icon at the bottom, just tap on that plus icon or create a new post. At the upper side you can find that and create a post here, and you may also add a picture if you want. And after adding a picture, on the bottom you can see anyone can reply and quote. So here, if you have selected anyone, that means it is public. But if you want to control who comments on it, you can either select profiles you follow or mention only and mention that person, and after that only the profiles you follow will able to be comment on your post, otherwise the person who is mentioned. I'm just gonna go on profiles you follow. After that, simply post on it, and after that is posted, that particular post will be only be able to commented by my followers and following only. So you may also follow the same process in order to do it. And therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.